What's good, everybody? On this video I'm going to show you this awesome kitchen gadget. This is a roll-up dish rack, drying dish rack that you can basically just stow away, or you can create more space for your counter. So it does come in different lengths and variation. You can even get ones that stretch out for anywhere from 13 inches to 22. Now I like this because there is a hole in here, and this hole is for this little basket. This little basket can be used for many different things. You can use it to hold your cutlery. I'm just gonna move it over here so you guys can get a better sense of what it does. Because we actually have these because we have this mat here, right? This is just a standard, but this is a heavy duty. You can put a lot of weight on this one, like close to 30-40 pounds, and it will not break because of these are silicone covered prongs, whereas these ones are just a little lighter, but you get a whole lot of more features in here. Anyways, this is what you do, right? And all of a sudden you can do your dishes and you can store this in the way. This is the old school way of doing it, so we're going to replace it with this. Another great thing that this is for is if you're washing fruit. What do? Well, you wash it in these cups and then it drips, or you got to move it away from this. So instead, you wash it after they're dry. You just re-pour them into the container, all nice and clean. Super cool little feature. This comes in gray and it also comes in black. Again, depending on the type of sink that you have or the color scheme you're going for, you're going to decide between the one. How many things does this actually hold? A lot of plates on here. It all depends on how you like to stack your dishes, right? But as you can see, it holds a lot of stuff. So again, this is the roll-up silicone dish rack. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.